Welcome to itdesk.tv. Now, a subscriber reached out asking us about Python, if we had any experience with Python. To be honest, I've never used Python before. So because the subscriber asked, I said, let me download the PyCharms and download the Python environment and go through the process. As I alluded to in the video, that programming is about concepts. So a new programming language is nothing more than syntax. So I'm going to use that concept and go through some basics of Python now in this video. Stay tuned. What I'm going to do in this one is I'm going to gather your first name, your last name, and your age. And then based on your age, if it's more than 30, I'm going to say that I'm going to give you a certain message. And if you're under 30, I'm going to give you another message. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So if you look on the screen, and again, like I said, programming is all about syntax. So Python is nothing more than me learning a new syntax, and that's a simple thing. All right, so I'm going to show you right now. All right, so it's an input function in Python. So before that, I'm going to declare a variable and call this fname is equal to input. Enter your first name. Space. That's the first line. Enter your first name. The next thing it's going to ask you for name equal input function again. Enter your last name. Space. I'm going to say your age is equal to input. Enter your age. Take the value. And then I'm going to do a calculation here. User age equal float age. Okay. I'm going to do an if statement now. If user age is greater than 30, I want you to do something. I want you to print your name is first name plus last name. I also want you to print and I'm going to put user age plus 1. Let's see if that works. Else, print user is under. I'm just gonna write user is under 30 years old. And again, I don't know anything about Python. I'm just learning it, the syntax. But I know based on the other languages that I know. So I'm not sure what's going to happen with the user age here. I'm going to run it and see what it does. First name. Enter last name. Your age. Let's just say if it's over 30, let's say it was 32. So it crashed it and says I can't concatenate these two things. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to use a string function to see if I can use it to do this. I'm going to run this again. Like I said, you have to remain calm while you're doing these programs. Let's say it was 32. Your name is Christopher Christie. Your age at next birthday is 33. And the process finished. Let's say I was under 30. So my name is Christopher Christie. Age is 25. User is under 30 years old. And that's what the program was set up to do. So here in the program, this is how do you do it again? It's not it's C#. It's this. So I accept information from the user. Here is where I calculate assign user age to variable. I assign the user age to a float variable. So add 1. Okay. Here is where I do the if statement to determine what is displayed. Good, and that's it. First name, Christie. Your age, if you're over 30, let's do 40. Your age at next birthday is 41, and there it is. Your name is Christopher, and it prints it out. That's Python. We're going to do more on Python. Stay tuned. And remember that programming is all about concepts. After you've learned the concept, you can apply it to any programming language. It doesn't matter. Keep your mind free. itdesk.tv, unlocking doors.